Good morning, dear students. Are you all ready for today's class? I hope you all are ready with your maths book for today's class. Okay, today we are going to start new chapter. I hope you all have completed your previous chapter copy notes and book notes. Both the work you have I hope you have completed. If not, students kindly complete them. Okay, now let us start our today's class. Today, in today's class, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 8, division. Okay, as I told, in multiplication and division we need tables. Okay, so that's why I told you to learn the tables. I hope you all are learning tables, and if not, then start learning the tables. Okay, students. Now kindly open page number 74, chapter 8, division. Okay. Division is repeated subtraction. In multiplication, it was repeated addition. Okay, multiplication is the repeated addition of number. Means the number, same number is repeating again and again with the sign of addition. Now here division is repeated subtraction. Okay, as you can see in the example also, here it is given, and this is the sign of division. Okay, students, what is the sign of division? This is the sign of division. Okay. This sign shows the two numbers are to be divided. Now here it's given 15 divide 5. Okay, now we have to, as it is repeated subtraction, so we will subtract 5 from 15 till we get the answer 0. Okay, till we get the answer 0. Because it is repeated subtraction, so we will subtract 5 from 15 till we get answer 0. Now as you can see here, let's do here. 15 divided 5. Okay, now we will subtract this 5 from 15 till we get answer 0. Now 15 minus 5, when you will subtract 5 from 15, you will get answer 10. Now subtract 5 from 10, again you will get answer 5. Now 5 minus 5, this we have studied in our subtraction property, that when we are subtracting the same number, the number with the same number, the answer is always 0. So here comes the 0, that means we can subtract 5 3 times from 15. Okay, that means 15 divided 5 equal to 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We can subtract 5 3 times from 15. So 15 divided 5 equal to 3. When you will recite the table of 5, you will come to know 5 multiply 3 equal to 15. Okay, let's do one more example. 9 divide 3. Now we will subtract. It is a repeated subtraction. So we will subtract 3 from 9 till we get the answer 0. Okay, so 9 minus 3. When you will subtract 3 from 9, you will get answer 6. Okay, now 3 from 6 is 3. Now 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Now here comes the answer 0. That means 1, 2, 3. So 3 can be subtracted 3 times from 9. Okay, so 9 divide 3 equal to 3. That means when you will recite the table of 3, you will come to know that 3 multiply 3 equal to 9. Let's do one more. 36 divide 9. Okay, now here we will subtract 9 from 36 till we get the answer 0. Okay, so 36 minus 9, when you will subtract 9 from 36, you will get answer 27. Now 27 minus 9. Now when you will subtract 9 from 27, you will get answer 18. 9 from 18, 9. Now 9 minus 9, that's 0. Okay, so here comes the 0. That means 9 is subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 can be subtracted 4 times from 36. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it can be subtracted from 36. That means 36 divided 9 equal to 4. Now when you will recite the table of 9, you will get answer 9 multiply 4, 36. Okay, students, so in this way division is the repeated subtraction. Now here comes divide into equal groups by drawing by turn in the boxes. Okay, now Here 15 divide 3. 15 is divided into 3 equal groups. Each group gets 5. Okay, as we done this, 5 can be subtracted 3 times from 15. That means 3 equal groups can be made. So here are 3 equal groups, and in each group how many dots are there? 5 dots are there. Okay, now here it's 16 divided 4. Now same we can do here. We will subtract from 4 from 16. 16 minus 4, it's 12. Now 4 from 12, it's 8. Now 4 from 8, it's 4. And 4 minus 4, 0. That means 4 can be subtracted 4 times from 16 to get the answer 16. That means 16 divided 4 equal to 4. That means how many groups we can get? 4 groups, and in each group how many dots? 4 dots. So this is the group. These are the 4 groups, and in each group how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In this way, you have to divide into equal groups. Now here comes 14 divide 2. Okay, now we will subtract 2 from 14 till we get the answer 0. So 14 minus 2 equal to 12. Now 12 minus 2 equal to 14 divided by 2. Okay, it's 10. Now 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, it's 6. 6 minus 2, it's 4. 4 minus 2, it's 2. Now 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 2 can be subtracted 7 times from 14 to get the answer 0. So 14 divide 2 equal to 7. And when you will see the table of 2, you will come to know that 2 multiply 7 equal to 14. That means 2 groups can be made, and in each group how many triangles you can make? 7 triangles. So this is the true group. Okay, and how many triangles? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, students. So in this way, you have to divide in equal groups. Now here comes division and multiplications are related, and some facts are also given here related to multiplication. As you can see here, 0 divide counting number equal to 0. Number divide same number equal to 1. And number divide 1 equal to same number. That means whenever you are dividing 0 with any counting number, the answer is always 0. And number with the same number, as you can see here, 8 divide 8, it's 1. That means whenever you are dividing the number with the same number, you will get answer 1. And number with 1. As you can see here, 8 is divided by 1 and you are getting the answer, same number has the answer. Okay, so this is the multiplication fact, and this you have to keep in mind. Now here you can see multiplication facts give division facts. So for division we use multiplication tables. Now here also you can see multiplication fact 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3 equal to 6. 6 crayons divided into 2 equal groups gives 3 crayons in each, and 6 divide 2 equal to 3. Here it was two groups were there, and in each group 3 crayons are there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And total 6. That means 2 multiply 3, 6. Here also you can see it's a division fact. 6 divide 2 equal to 3 means 2 groups, and in each group how many crayons? 3 crayons. Okay. So here comes the division facts. As you can see here, 15 into 3 equal to 45. Now when you will divide 45 divide 15, 3, and 45 divide 3 equal to 15. Okay, this is the division facts. Let's do one. 8 multiply 4 equal to 32. Okay, now 32 divide 8. When you will recite the table of 8, you will come to know 8 multiply 4 equal to 32. Now 32 divide 4. Recite the table of 8 and 4 multiply 8 equal to 32. So this is the division facts. Okay. Division facts. Let's do one more. 11 into 9 equal to 99. Now 99 divide 11 equal to 9. 11, when you will recite the table of 11, you will come to know 11 multiply 9 is 99. Now 99 divide 9, that's 11. So this is your division fact. Okay students, read page number 74 and 75 and keep it in mind the multiplication facts. Okay, now here comes exercise 8A, and in 8A you have to fill this. When you know if you know the table and if you have learned the table, it will be easy for you. Okay, 8 divide 2. When you will recite the table of 2, you will come to know 2 4s are 8. Okay. 15 divide 3. Recite the table of 3 and you will come to know 3 5s are 15. 15 divide 5. Recite the table of 5. You will come to know 5 3s are 15. 36 divide 6. 6 6s are 36. 32 divide 8. Recite the table of 8 and you will come to know 8 4s are 32. 36 divide 9. Recite the table of 9 and you will come to know 9 4s are 36. So in this way you have to do exercise 8A, and here 5 divide 1. This we have studied in division fact. Whenever you are dividing any number with 1 or 1 with any number, the answer is always same number. So 5 here and 5 here. With 0, always the answer will be 0. With same number with the same number, the answer is 1. Okay, whenever you are dividing the number with the same number, you will always get the answer 1, whether it is a 1 digit or 2 digit. Okay, so in this way, 8 exercise, try to do after learning the tables. Okay. Now here comes the long division. Here comes the long division. As you can see here. Now the next topic is long division. Okay students. Now in long division, division can be shown in different ways. As you can see, 8 divide 9. Now recite the table of 9 and you will come to know 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Okay. So 9 2s are 18. Now in division terms, this is called your dividend. Okay. This is called your divisor. And this is called your quotient. Okay, this always you have to keep it in mind, these terms. This is the dividend, divisor and quotient. The number which is to be divided is called divisor, and after dividing, the answer which we get is called quotient. Okay, now the other way of doing long division is this. Okay, in this way we used to do the long division. Now here this dividend will be the inside number and divisor will be the outside number. Now recite the table of 9 and get answer 18. So 9 2s are 18 minus 0. Okay, so in this way this is called the long division. It will be more clear to you when we will do the exercise. Now here comes your exercise 8B. Okay. Divide and we will check the answer. So let's do the first one. 24 2. Okay. Now this is your dividend and this is your divisor. Okay, now we will divide. For this you have to recite the table of 2, and as it is here 1 digit, so we will take here 1 digit first. As they are 2 digit 2 and 4, but in divisor we are having only 1 digit. So we will take 1 digit and that is 2. Now recite the table of 2 and how many times does it divide? 2 ones are 2. Now in subtraction, we will put a minus sign here and this both number will be subtracted. 2 minus 2, it's 0. Now take the next number, that is 4. Now divide 4 in 2. So how many times does it goes in 2's table? 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4 minus 0. So this is the answer. Now here you have to check the answer. Okay. So your dividend is here 24. Okay. So quotient into divisor equal to. Now which is your quotient? This is your quotient. So 12, put the multiplication sign. 12 into your divisor is 2. So 2. When you will multiply 12 into 2, you will get answer 24. That means your dividend, and here the answer got is 24. That means your answer is correct. Okay, let's do one more. 69. Now here recite the table of 3 and see how many times does 6 go in 3's table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 as it is, but here 2 digit, but our divisor is only of 1 digit, so we will take 1 digit only, that is 6. Now 3 twos are 2 will be here and 6 will be here down. Now put the minus sign and subtract the number 0. Now take the other number, that is 9. Now see how many times the 9 goes in 3's table. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 minus 0. Okay. Now to check what we will do, quotient into divisor, okay, equal to dividend. So which is your quotient? This is your quotient. So 23 multiply divisor, that is 3. Now when you will multiply 23 into 3, you will get answer 69. That means your answer is correct. Okay, let's do E 246. Now here we will take 1 digit only because our divisor is of 1 digit and dividend is of 2 digits. So we will take only 1 digit, that is 4. Now how many times does 4 multiplies in 2's table? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Put the minus sign to subtract the number 0. Now take the other number, that is 6. Now 6 in 2's table, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 minus 0. Now check the answer, quotient into divisor equal to dividend. So quotient is your 23 into divisor is your 2. Now when you will multiply, you will get answer 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. That means your answer is correct. Okay. Let's do 339. Okay. Now same here, we will take 1 digit as our divisor is of 1 digit. So 3 in 3's table, that is 1 time. So put here minus sign and subtract the number. Now take the next number, that is 9. Now 9 in 3's table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Put the minus sign and 0. Now to check the answer, quotient into divisor equal to dividend. Okay. So your quotient here is 13 multiply divisor is 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. That means your answer is correct. After multiplying the quotient and quotient into divisor, you will get the answer, that is your dividend. So in this way you have to do question number 2 also. Let's do 26 divide 2. Okay, now 26 divide 2. That means 2 is your divisor and 26 is your dividend. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 minus 0. Take other number, that is 6. Now 6 in 2's table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 minus 0. Okay. Now to check the answer, quotient into divisor equal to dividend. That means your quotient is 13, multiply your divisor is 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. That means your dividend and the answer which you got after multiplying quotient and divisor is same. That means your answer is correct. Okay. Let's do D. 77 divide 7. Same you will do. 7 is your divisor and 77 is your dividend. Okay. Now as divisor is of 1 digit, so we will take 1 digit only. Now 7 in 7's table, that is 1. 7 here, put the minus sign, 0. Now take the next number, that is 7. Put here 7. Again 1, 7 minus 0. Okay, now to check the answer, quotient into divisor equal to dividend. And your quotient here is 11 and your divisor is 7. Now you got the answer 77. That means your dividend and the number which you got after multiplying quotient and divisor is same. So that means your answer is correct. Okay. So in the same way, students, you have to do question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Let's do question number 3 1. Question number 3. 82 divide 2. Okay. Now 2 is your divisor and 82 is your dividend. Okay. So as divisor is of only 1 digit. So we will take here 1 digit first. That is 8. Now how many times 8 goes in 2's table? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now in division we used to subtract the number. 8 minus 8 0. Now take the other number, that is 2. Now 2 in 2's table, that is 1. So minus 2 0. Now to check the answer, quotient into divisor equal to dividend. Okay. So your quotient here is 41. Multiply your divisor is 2. So 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So your dividend and the answer which you got after multiplying 41 into 2 is same. That means your answer is correct. Okay. So in this way, students, you have to do exercise 8B, divide and check the answer. Here we did division, divide 2 digit number by 1 digit number. Okay. Now here we are going to do 3 digit number with 1 digit number. Okay. This is also very simple. Let's do first one. 2 4 8 4. Okay. Now here our divisor is of 1 digit. So we will take 1 digit 1 by 1. Now here first we will take 4. Now how many times 4 multiplies in 2's table? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Put the minus sign, subtract the number, take the other number 8. 8 in 2's table, 2 4s are 8 minus 0. Take the other number 4. 4 in 2's table, again 2. Put here 4 minus 0. So in this way you have to do. Okay. Next is 3 6 9 3. Here also same thing we will do. We will take first 1 digit first, that is 6. Now how many times does 6 multiplies in 3's table? That is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Put minus sign, 0. Take the next number, that is 9. 3 3s are 9. Put the minus sign, 0. Now take the next number, that is 3. 3 1s are 3 minus 0. Okay. So in this way you have to do the division of 3 digit number. Now here comes 306 by 3. Okay. Same thing we will do, as divisor is of 1 digit. So we will take 1 digit first, that is 3. Now how many times does 3 multiplies in 3? That is 3 1s are 3. Now in division we used to subtract the number. In multiplication we used to add the numbers after multiplying. Here we used to subtract the numbers. So 3 minus 3 0. Now take the next number 0. For this 0 put 1 0 here. Okay. Now take the next number, that is 6. So 6 in 3 table, 3 2s are 6 minus 0. So here is the answer. Okay. 440. Okay. Now 4 in 4's table, that is 1 time. So 4 here minus 0. Take the other number 4. Again 1. 4 minus 0. Now take 0. For this 0, put 1 0 here. So in this way, you have to do the division of 3-digit number. Okay. Now here comes 2. 246 divide 2. Same process you have to follow here. 2 is your divisor and 246 is your dividend. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 minus 0. Take the other number, that is 4. How many times does 4 multiplies in 2's table? 2 2's are 4 minus 0. Take the other number, that is 6. Now 6 in 2's table, 2 3's are 6 minus 0. Okay, so in this way you have to do the division of 3-digit number. Students, again I am telling, for this you should know the tables, because if you know the tables, your division will be easy and fast. Okay, let us take one more. It's of only 2 2 2. Okay, 408 divided by 4. Okay, now same here, 4 is your divisor and 404 is your dividend. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 minus 0. Take 0. For this 0, put here 0. Take the other number, that is 4. Again 4 ones are 4 minus 0. Okay, let us do other koi number. 480 divide 2. Okay, so 2 is your divisor and 480 is your dividend. So 2 2's are 4 minus 0. Take 8. 2 4's are 8 minus 0 and take this 0. For this 0, just put a 0. Okay, so in this way you have to do the division of 3-digit number. Okay students, so till 8C copy notes and this book notes I will provide you. So carefully note it down and learn the tables. Okay, so that's all for today's class.